it's Shannon, and I am back with another month of Simply Earth's recipe box. If you guys are new to Simply Earth, it is a monthly subscription box that brings you essential oils, recipes, and also the accessories that you need to create those recipes. So today I'm bringing you the February 2018 unboxing, so let's open this up and see what kind of goodies are in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open our February Simply Earth box. So on top, there are your recipes. So we have lots of recipes for cold and flu season, which is in full swing right now. So I'm very excited about this because these will all be put to really good use. So in February's box, you will be receiving recipes to create Breathe Inhaler, Sore Muscle Roll-On, Shower Disc Pick-Me-Up, a germ cleaner, and then there's also some recipes on the back of a few of these. So there is a vapor chest roll-on, nothing on there. This is a continuation of the shower disc pick-me-up, and then also warts be gone roll-on. So what else is in here? We have labels for all of those recipes. Then we also have in here menthol crystals. These are very interesting looking. And you also, in every Simply Earth box, you get 4 essential oils. So this month you will get a Defender oil, oregano, Ravensara, and lemon. So I'm gonna take all of these out of the boxes so that you can see what the actual bottles look like. So here is a look at all of these great bottles of essential oil that you'll be receiving. These are all 100% pure essential oil, and they come in a 15 ml size. So these will last you quite a while. You're gonna be able to make these recipes over and over and over again with these. So next, you'll also be getting a fractionated coconut oil. This is a really big bottle that's gonna go a really long way. This is a 4-ounce size. And then what I love about Simply Earth is you're also going to get some of the containers that you need to create those recipes. So this month, there are these little white plastic inhaler tubes. So you have 2 of those. And then they have the little cartridge inside that you put your oils on. They go in here, so stay tuned to the end of this video because I will actually be making a couple of these recipes for you to see. There's also 3 of these roller bottles. I love these. These are great for the recipes. This month they sent you these for the vapor chest roll-on, the sore muscle roll-on, and also the warts be gone roll-on. So you create your recipes in here so they're easy to roll right on. Last but not least, you'll also be getting a little diffuser bottle. So let's go ahead and make a couple of these recipes. The first one I'm gonna make is this vapor chest roll-on, which is something I know would have come in really handy lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this so that I have it on hand in case we need it again. And our recipe says that we 8 drops of the Ravensara essential oil, 4 drops of the lemon essential oil. We'll need the fractionated coconut oil and 1 of our roller bottles. So I'm just gonna take the top off of the bottle and I'm gonna add my essential oil in first. So 8 drops of the Ravensara. Four drops of the lemon. And fill the rest of the bottle up with the coconut oil. So now we have all of our ingredients in the bottle, so we're just gonna put the top on. We put the top on and then you just shake it up and it's ready to roll on. And that should really help with your stuffy noses. have an inhaler tube here, and I've taken it all apart. And then you're just going to need the Rabbitsara essential oil, and it says that you add 2 drops of the essential oil onto the cotton insert. So this little tube here, and you just add 2 drops right onto the end, and it kind of soaks down in there. And you're going to insert that end into the center of this tube, and then there's a little cap on the end. Push that into place, and then you just put this next to your nostril and smell so you can breathe easier. It says that it will help clear up your nasal passageways, and you should use it no more than every 2 hours, and that you can add more essential oil about once every month or as you need to. And then it comes with this little cap, so you can take it along with you, put it in your purse, put it in the cabinet, and it saves the scent from drying up too quickly. So thank you, Simply Earth, for bringing these 2 exclusive offers to my viewers. The first offer is for a free $40 gift card to their online store with your paid subscription. The second offer is if you'd like to try one of their essential oils out, you can also do that for free. I will actually have a link down in the description box below where you can go and use my coupon code, which is TheDailyDIYer free, and you can decide which offer is best for you. I absolutely love Simply Earth. It is my very favorite subscription box that I get every month. I look forward to it. I use them. What I love most is that they make it so simple and so easy and take the guesswork out of using essential oils. And I use essential oils every single chance I get. So I hope that you all will give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite essential oil and how do you use it? I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.